Hi everyone, this is Gavin from Gavin's Gadgets. Hope you guys are keeping well. Welcome back everyone who's been here before. Anyone that's new, I do a lot of reviews on audio equipment, also looking at the cameras on smartphones and generic smartphone reviews, and anything else that does interest me on the gadget front. Today I've got the Edifier TWS1 Pros. These are true wireless earphones. I'm going to take a quick look at what's in the box. I'm going to talk about sound quality afterwards, and well, I think they're worth the £49 that they cost. So let's go check these out. So these are the Edifier TWS1 Pros, and you can swap them really quickly. It's got a really long battery life, between 12 to 30 hours. 30 hours is when you use the actual case itself. It also has dust and water resistance. It's IP65, it's Bluetooth 5.2, it's got quick charge and comes with a comfortable fit. In terms of everything else, these obviously go through various quality control, but let's just show you what you get in the actual box itself. I'll take this out. Now obviously I have already opened the box, so you get the headphones themselves, and I will show you more about that in a second. It's one side. So some instructions in multi-languages. You get two different size earbuds, very straightforward. You get a USB-C to USB-A cable, and you get some leaflets about safety, and you also have the instructions. You can touch and hold them to start pairing if they don't go into automatic pairing when you first open them. Mine did and paired instantly. You can press either the left or right to accept, one click to accept a call. You can press and hold either side to decline. When you're playing, play pause, it's a single click, left or right. If you want to go back a track, you double click the left, or you double click the right to go forward a track. And if you press and hold the right side, you turn the volume up, and if you press and hold the left side, the volume goes down. So you've got all the controls pre-set up on there. Let's take a look at the box. So you can see you have USB-C here, and it's very simple. That's how it charges. They come out the case really simple. Take them out. So let's take to one side what you have. You've got connections there. It says R for the right, and then you can press here these touch controls. They are really simple. They're magnetically held in. As you can see, go to put them in, they don't fall out. And there we go. Now let's talk about the sound quality. So you've seen what's in the box, I've gone through everything. So let me talk about the actual quality. These do sound terrific. For £49, I was quite surprised. They connect no problem. I've had no problem with connections. I've had no problems with latency. It's good. Voice calls average, not too bad there at all. Not the best I've heard, but I was average. They've got a V-shaped sound for the bass, and they're just a no-nonsense pair of earphones, and were worth everything. If you've got any specific questions, I mean, these were the soundtracks that I used to listen, to go through them all. They're the same ones I use for every pair of headphones that I use, or any other audio gear, just so I've always got that kind of music set in my head. But I've been finding they're comfortable. Let me just show you how they actually fit in terms of going into my ear. They're very small, they go in like so, very simple. They don't come out. I do like that, so they have a nice clean fit. They are USB-C, which I really like. But the main thing is they connect easy, they pair very simply, no issues with that at all. You can switch between each using whichever earbud you want, so you can have one in and it's absolutely, it's nearly seamless, the integration from taking one out, putting one in the case, just using one left or right. Very, very impressive. Remember, these are £49. They've got the call quality is not too bad. It's not the best I've ever heard, but it's not too bad. It's very average, so people could hear me okay. There was low latency when it came to watching videos, which is good. Good thumbs up there. And in terms of sound quality, you've got a slight V-shaped sound, so there's a bit of bass, a bit of sparkle in the treble. The mids were okay, but a very enjoyable sound with these, and very compact, so fit in a pocket, no problem at all. I do like the size of these, and they have good battery life. Any specific questions, just ask below. I will answer them. I answer all questions. This is Gavin from Gavin's Gadgets. Take care, guys. Bye for now.